Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Bread omelette is a go-to recipe for many people who want to make something quick and filling. Not only that, but this dish is one of the most famous street foods too. So if you want to recreate the street style bread omelette at home, this is the video you should see. Now this is pretty much simple dish and even newbies can easily prepare this without any hesitation. So now let's get started and check out all the ingredients that go into making this yummy recipe. I'm first going to prepare a nice sandwich chutney for this recipe. This is our regular mint coriander chutney. To a mixer jar, add about 3 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger roughly chopped. Now I'm adding about 3 green chillies cut into half. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of roasted bengal gram for that binding. Now add half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Also add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add about 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves and 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. So next I'm squeezing the juice of half lemon into the mixer jar. Also add just a little bit of water to facilitate easy grinding. The chutney mixture is a bit coarse, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of water to this. Grind this again and the mint coriander chutney is ready. You can transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. We are going to use this later. Now remember that the chutney has to be a bit thick and nice like this. Now I have all the ingredients ready to prepare the bread omelette. To a large bowl, add finely chopped onion, add about 2 green chillies finely chopped, and add about a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder for seasoning. Mix all this well, keep the bowl aside. Now crack open 4 eggs in another large bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Whisk the eggs nicely and transfer the whisked eggs to the bowl with the onion mixture. Give all this a quick mix. Now our egg mixture is ready for making omelettes. Now heat a tawa and maintain the flame on a medium heat. Take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter and smear it all over the tawa surface. Now you can also use ghee if you like. Once the butter is hot enough and sizzling, mix well and gently transfer the egg mixture onto the tawa. Continue maintaining the heat on medium. Let it set for about 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, the bottom layer is slightly cooked and here the egg mixture is still gooey. At this point, you can place the 2 bread slices side by side like this. Now gently smear some butter on top of both the slices. Adding butter will enhance the flavor of the dish and you will actually feel the butter richness in every bite. So it's kind of mandatory, I would say. Gently press the bread slices into the omelette. Once you are confident that the omelette is firm and perfectly cooked on one side, you can gently flip it to the other side. Gently press the bread and the omelette in to make sure they are cooked evenly. Now cook the omelette for about 2 to 3 minutes again and make sure that it is no more raw. Flip it back so that the bread is facing up. At this point, take the prepared mint coriander chutney with a spoon and smear it gently on top of both the bread slices. Adding the chutney is just an option. You can prepare the same bread omelette even without this chutney. Otherwise, you can just simply prepare the bread omelette and then enjoy it with the chutney by the side. This is another option. Now gently fold the omelette from both ends and cover the bread. Then shift 1 bread slice to the other and gently press it all in. That's it. Our special street style bread omelette recipe is ready to be served nice and hot. You can serve it as it is or you can cut it into small pieces like this. Here you go. Isn't this tempting? I'm just garnishing these pieces with some tomato ketchup and finely chopped coriander leaves. You can enjoy this dish for breakfast, lunch or for evening snack. This bread omelette sandwich is filling as well as nourishing. So you can prepare this street style bread omelette sandwich if you are bored of the regular ones. So as you can see, making this bread omelette street style is really simple. Now you can enjoy this with ketchup or just have it as is. Now you can have this for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it also is perfect for lunch boxes. So do try the recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.